Joe Biden is the 46th President of the United States, having taken office on January 20, 2021. Prior to his presidency, he served as the Vice President of the United States under Barack Obama from 2009 to 2017. Biden was born on November 20, 1942, in Scranton, Pennsylvania, and later moved to Delaware where he began his political career. Biden has a long career in politics, having served as a U.S. Senator from Delaware for 36 years before becoming Vice President. He has been known for his advocacy on issues such as healthcare, civil rights, and foreign policy. Biden was also the author of the landmark Violence Against Women Act, which was signed into law in 1994. As president, Biden has made it a priority to address the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, climate change, racial justice, and economic recovery. He has signed a series of executive orders aimed at reversing policies put in place by the previous administration and has pushed for a more inclusive and equitable society. Biden has been praised for his leadership style, which emphasizes empathy, unity, and a commitment to working across party lines. He has called on Americans to come together and work towards a brighter future and has spoken out against hate and division. Throughout his career, Biden has faced his share of personal tragedy, including the loss of his wife and daughter in a car accident and the death of his son Beau to brain cancer. Despite these challenges, he has remained committed to public service and has become one of the most prominent and respected political figures in the United States. Overall, Joe Biden is a prominent figure in American politics who has dedicated his life to public service and making a positive difference in the world.